The first guilty verdict in a federal hate crimes case in Georgia's history. Ahmaud Arbery's family got full justice on all federal hate crime charges. The family says Ahmaud can now rest in power. But the family will never fully heal, of course. Hope Ford breaks down what happened in and outside of the federal courtroom.
Justice for Ahmaud Arbery!
There's the saying, and just like that, it was over. The state and federal trials for Ahmaud Arbery's killers may be over, but it was never just like that. It took fighting, pleading from Ahmaud's family.
They didn't have a son that was lying in a cold grave.
All right, come on,
And they still didn't hear my cry.
But the jury heard the evidence, deliberating for less than 4 hours, reaching all guilty verdicts. The defendants barely reacted, never looked in the direction of the Arbery family, sitting front row. The only black male juror was the one selected to give the verdict to the courtroom. He cried inside the jury box after the verdict was read. Outside the courtroom, his tears mirroring that of Ahmaud's aunt.
I've had the most celebratory day at work that you can imagine. It's been tears, but of joy, and screams of comfort.
Comfort knowing Ahmaud's killers will not go home, just as Ahmaud will never go home. Ahmaud's mother says this justice is not their justice alone.
If they made the driveway decisions that the Michaels made, they'll be going to the same place that they're going.
Come on. All right.
So they can make the same decisions, but they'll face the same consequences.
Come on.
Travis McMichael waved to his mother before he left the courtroom, before he, Greg McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan headed off into custody.
I give all glory to God, and we got justice for Ahmaud.
In Brunswick, Hope Ford, 11 Alive News.
By the way, the defendants now have 14 days to file any post-trial motions. And once they're sentenced, they'll have an additional 14 days to file any appeals. The sentencing will be handled by a federal judge.